Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto G13 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life on this device. So, firstly, let's start with turning off all unnecessary features. So, let's turn all unnecessary features off. To do it, just open the control panel, and here you will see all enabled features. So as you can see here, I have enabled Wi-Fi, and I have no SIM card right now in my phone, but if you have it, you will have enabled mobile network. So mobile network, mobile internet. So if you are using Wi-Fi right now, just disable mobile internet. If you are using mobile internet right now, just disable Wi-Fi. If you are using if you are not using maps right now, just disable location services. To do it, click on this pencil button, find location services here, drag it to the upper part of your screen, find your location services and disable it. If you are not using NFC right now, if you not pay Starbucks right now, just disable NFC. And if you are not using Bluetooth right now, disable this feature too, because if a necessary feature is running, it's constantly searching for the network. For example, Wi-Fi constantly searching for networks nearby, Bluetooth constantly looking for nearby devices, nearby share constantly looking for nearby devices too. So where we have nearby share. Okay, nearby share. If nearby share is enabled, you need to disable it too. And of course, location services constantly looking for GPRS and GLONASS services too. So disabling these features, you will improve the battery of the life of your battery. Okay, the next step you can do is to reduce screen brightness. Of course, screen of your device, reducing the power, reducing the battery power. So of course you need to disable the screen, you need to reduce the screen brightness. So reduce screen brightness to make your phone live longer. And then of course you can enable battery saver mode. You can do it using this button on your control panel on open settings. Of course you can enable dark mode, but you have LCD screen here, so in this situation with this phone it will not help you because dark mode helps to improve battery life only with devices those have LED screens, but not LCD. So here we have LCD, so we can use simple light mode. Okay, open battery in settings, and here you will see battery saver mode. You can use adaptive battery mode, of course. You need to enable it and open battery saver, and here click enable battery saver. Click turn on, and great, battery saver mode was enabled. In this mode your phone your phone will disable all background process, your messages. You will receive messages with latency. Okay, so you need to know about it, but in this mode your phone will live really long. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.